Mislabelled packaging. It's the single biggest reason for expensive product recalls and unwanted publicity. What if you could eliminate a major contributor to these packaging errors by utilising production recognition? With Domino's group printing, one message can be created and automatically passed down to all coders in the process, so that the right message gets applied to the right place, on the right product, without manual intervention. As product changes occur, group printing assures new messaging arrives at the correct time, to the correct hardware, getting the right label on the product package, on both sides of the carton, and on the pallet. Integration of coding equipment provides significant efficiency improvements and substantially reduces the need for operator involvement by automating coder message setup. QuickDesign's flexible configuration and multi-coder compatibility makes it the ideal choice for message design in applications across a wide range of industries. For primary, secondary, and tertiary coding operations, meaning you and your equipment are prepared for any product changes on the production line. Consider how improving the process of information flow would impact the productivity of your labeling and package operation.